Hi everybody! Before I start the recipe today, I really want to thank all the subscribers. Let's look at the ingredients now. Basically, we need only milk and vinegar to prepare paneer. Here I have taken 1.5 liter of milk and 1/3 cup of vinegar. We always need fresh milk to prepare paneer. Let's go ahead and boil the milk, stirring it occasionally. We do not want the cream to form on the top. As soon as you see the milk is boiling, do not switch off the flame. Cook the milk for about a minute on low flame by stirring it continuously. After a minute, go ahead and switch off the flame, and now we will add vinegar. After adding vinegar, stir very slowly. As soon as you see the milk has started to curdle, add ice cubes and ice cold water. This will prevent the milk to cook further. Whenever I am preparing paneer, two things are ready. One is the ice cube tray on the counter, and secondly the colander with a clean cloth in the sink. Pour the curdled milk in the colander that is lined up with a clean cotton cloth. Now we have to wash the paneer under running water. After washing paneer under running water, now we have to squeeze out the excess water. So what am I doing here is trying to give a square shape to my paneer. I'll be keeping this paneer on the plate which has holes, and I'll keep this plate on the container. Now the excess water will be collected in this container. So put a chopping board on this paneer. This paneer is on the plate is on the container, and also add a weight on the chopping board and let it sit aside for 2 hours. So let's see what happened in 2 hours. Ta-da! Our paneer is ready.